Hi everyone, and welcome back to our channel, or welcome to our channel if you're new. For today's video, we'll be doing something a little bit different. So as you can tell by the title, today I will be playing with lashes. So as you guys may know, I've never worn lashes before. If you've seen my videos in the past, my makeup videos, I always mention that I don't wear lashes. So I decided that it would be a really fun video, and probably a really short but fun video, of me trying out lashes for the first time. Now, I don't own a pair of lashes, so I had to go out and buy a pair, and the recent Sephora VIB sale really prompted me to go buy a pair because, you know, I'm always about that sale. So I recently picked up a pair of velour lashes. Now, I know what you're already thinking. Why did I go out and buy such an expensive pair of lashes? Especially because this is my first time with lashes. Now, the reason why I went for a velour lash is because I've seen great reviews about it on Sephora and on YouTube, and on top of the fact that I wanted to make sure that the lashes have a good chance. What I mean is that I want my first interaction with lashes and putting them on my face to be a good one. So I want to make sure that I have the best lash possible, so that when I try to apply them, at least I know that it's my fault if it doesn't apply properly, not the lashes' fault. So the pair of lashes that I picked up were the short and sweet pair of velour lashes. So these are the lashes here. If my camera could focus, there we go. Sorry about the ring light, guys. I know it's just reflective. So it's basically just a really natural pair of lashes, and I didn't want to go for something very dramatic because I've never played with lashes before, so I didn't know what would work well for my eyes. So I wanted to go a little bit more natural with it. So these short and sweet velour lashes are a part of a natural lash collection from Sephora, and they're supposedly an effortless, I'm reading off the website right now. So basically what it is are these styles are supposed to be easy to apply, and they're especially good for people who are first-time false lash users, which is like me. So that's why I chose these ones, because there aren't much for me to do. Like, I don't have to measure them, I don't have to trim them. They're supposedly already trimmed and ready to go. So on top of buying a really easy pair of lashes, I decided to also look at some tutorials just to make sure that I know what I'm doing and not like gonna hurt myself, because I am putting glue near my eye. So that's what really freaks me out about lashes, is the fact that there's gonna be glue near my eye. But I'm gonna try it out for the sake of seeing how it looks, because it does look very beautiful on anybody. Like, I've seen so many pictures on Instagram, seen so many videos on YouTube, and people just look really good with lashes on, and it does complete a look. So that is why I decided to do this today. So with these lashes, on the packaging, it claims that there's no measuring, no trimming, no eyeliner, and no drama. There's probably going to be some drama because I've never put these on before. But yeah, so that's what it says here on the lash container. And it's a really good container, as you guys can see. It's like a nice, like, plastic looking material, but it's like hard plastic. It's not like glass or anything like that, but it does look very sleek and just really good quality. Because I did pay a pretty penny for these lashes. I think I paid like $34 Canadian for these lashes. I know, super expensive. I could have gone for a drugstore lash, like something I can get at the drugstore, but I wanted to make sure that when I first try out these lashes, that I tried something that I know won't have a problem, and if there's any problem at all, it's going to be either my way of applying them or if I did something wrong with them. So that's why I wanted to make sure I got a really good pair of lashes for this. And on top of that, if I am going to wear them more often, especially after this video, you guys will definitely see a difference in makeup videos if I do like these. So you'll see them a lot more in the event of that. I wanted to make sure that the first pair are a really good pair, so that I don't have to worry about going out and buying countless lashes. So I just wanted to pay one good price for something that I can use for a couple times, because I know lashes can be used like a couple times before you have to discard them. So enough of that. On the back of the packaging, it does give you some instructions on how to apply lashes. Now, mind you, these aren't very extensive instructions. They're just basically apply lash adhesive, wait 30 seconds for it to get tacky, place it onto the lash line, and then you're all done. So this claims to be super easy, so I'm just gonna open these up. I haven't actually opened it up or anything as yet. And I'm probably gonna mess up my nails trying to open this thing because it's super difficult for me to open anything. So let's see. They have this kind of like plastic on the outside, and then after that you have the actual packaging right here. So the packaging is still the same, obviously, the plastic. And when you open it up, these are what the lashes look like. So I'm just gonna feel them on camera because I've never felt lashes before. Of course they feel kind of real, it's kind of creepy. Really weird. I mean, this is the first time I'm feeling them, but like they feel really good quality and very luxurious, I guess. I don't know. I don't know what I'm saying right now. But they feel really nice. They feel good quality. And you may have noticed that the lash band is super thin on these. So I don't know how well I'm going to be able to apply these. Hopefully I can. But we're going to try that out. So before I actually put on the lashes, I've seen online and on a lot of videos and things like that that you have to curl your lashes and put on mascara like you normally do. For mascara, I'm using, of course, my Roller Lash, Benefit Roller Lash mascara. So I'm just gonna speed this up so that we get this kind of out of the way. Now we're gonna move on to the lashes. So for the lashes, I'm also using this duo glue, and I picked this up as well. This was, I think, like $6-7 or something like that on Sephora. And I did use lash glue before, like I have used it because I've used it in other like Indian outfits and things like that. I use it to keep bindis in place and headpieces and things like that. So I'm experienced with using that. I know you have to wait for it to get tacky before you add anything on. The only thing though, I've used the black Revlon lash glue. So this one is a clear lash glue and it's for sensitive eyes too, apparently. So that works well for me. So I've read the ingredients and things like that, so I'm all good with that. So be sure to always check the ingredients of the products that you're using. It's really, really important to make sure, especially if you have really sensitive skin or you're allergic to anything, it's super, super important. So just make sure whenever you're trying out something new to always read it and be sure that you don't have anything that's going to irritate your skin or anything you're not comfortable with to be on your skin. Just wanted to get that out there just so that you guys know, because it's super important. I know myself that I always check because I have really sensitive skin as well. So that is why I am always on the alert to make sure that everything that I'm using is safe and easy to use. Alright, so when I opened the lash glue, I noticed that they have some instructions on how to apply lashes, and I can honestly say that the Duo Lash Glue has better instructions than the packaging for the lashes. I'm not saying at all that's like something bad to say about the lashes. In fact, these lashes look really luxurious and I really like them. But yeah, I think there could have been more extensive instructions, but I guess this is for people who are just, you know, trying out a simple lash and they wanted to make sure that the lash instructions on the actual lash box was more simple for someone who's just brand new to it. So now I just pulled off the lash with a tweezers from the container, and it already has some stickiness to the lash band. I'm not just gonna apply it like that, obviously, so I'm just going to see if it fits the lash line because that's what it says on the instructions. So it says to check to see if it fits, and if not, to trim it or whatever. So these lashes are already trimmed, so hopefully it's trimmed to shape my eye perfectly. That's something I didn't really understand, but I thought that maybe it would help out to be already trimmed. So let's see how this goes. Hopefully this goes well. Okay, so applying this with my hand is not working. So I'm going to try and apply this, honestly, with a pair of tweezers. Now I know online there's like mixed feelings about this. Some people apply it with tweezers, some people apply it with their fingers. Some people think it's more dangerous to apply with tweezers and all of this type of thing, but I've seen a lot of people apply with tweezers. So I'm going to try it and see how this goes. So obviously I have nothing on it. I'm just going to remind you guys I have no glue on it. I just want to see what's easier to apply. So honestly, I don't hate it. Like, it's basically just my lashes. Like, it's just going to make my lashes look more full, which I honestly think I need in my life. So I kind of like it. I'm trying to get it. And I know you guys are probably freaking out what I just did there by like trying to pull it off like that, but I could see the complete difference. Like, you guys can't see it in the camera, but I could see the complete difference between my lashes and these lashes, because my lashes tend to go out really straight. Like, they're really long, but they're kind of straight, which sucks because I always have to keep curling them and curling them, and even then they just don't hold a curl no matter what kind of mascara I use. So hopefully that when I put this on, it's going to stay in place and not look like two completely different lashes. So I'm going to start applying the glue onto the lash. So to apply adhesive, it says squeeze a thin line of duo adhesive along the lash band and spread evenly with a toothpick. Wait for 30 seconds for the adhesive to set. Okay, so that seems pretty simple. I'm going to do that and I will be right back. Alright, so I have the lash with the lash glue, and I had a little bit of trouble with the glue. I got like a bunch of glue on the actual lash, but I'm gonna try it and try to apply some mascara afterwards and see if that hides it. And I'm just waiting for the lash to dry. I'm just like waiting for it right now, like fanning it like a weirdo. And now I'm going to wait a little bit because it still needs to dry a little more. So I'm gonna wait and see here what I'm going to do, because the lash looks kind of nasty right now. It has a bunch of glue on it. So let's see how this goes. Alright, so we're going in. I'm gonna try this. Let's see how this goes. Pray for me, guys. Alright, I think that's it. Oh my god, that actually worked. So I honestly love this. I've been looking at it in the viewfinder. Well, I don't have a viewfinder, but I have like a mirror where I'm looking at it. And honestly, I could see a huge difference between like this side versus this side, where my eye looks a lot more bigger. And I honestly do really love it. It looks really good. The only thing, it feels so weird. Like when I go like this, or like if I'm just like, you know, my regular face, like just like that, it literally feels like something is touching it, which is new to me, but I'm sure I would get used to it in time to come. I really do like how these look. They're not, like, I'm just pushing it up a little bit because I've heard that that works really well. Like, they're not the biggest lashes ever, and they're not voluminous and crazy. They're just a nice, like, add-on just to make my eyes look a lot more fuller. And I do like them a lot. So I'm gonna go apply the other one off camera and I'll be right back. So these are both lashes on, and I'm looking at myself on the like reflection of my viewfinder. I know, YouTuber problems. I'm looking at a reflection of my viewfinder. But I'm looking at it and I honestly really love the way these look. Like, these lashes look really great, and they really do lift my look up and lift my eyes up. So my eyes look a lot more broad and fuller. And I really do like it. Like, I do like how these look, and it was really easy to apply. So the claims that the velour lashes had for this collection is 100% true. It's super easy to apply. The only thing is that it feels a little bit weird on my eye, and that's just me. That has nothing to do with the lashes, but I just feel really off like having something more on my lashes than I normally do. But otherwise, the lashes themselves are really good. I did like the fact that they are really easy to apply and that they're already trimmed. However, they're a bit too trimmed for me personally. I think that for people with a lot smaller eyes, this is really, really great. Like, this would be the perfect lash for them. My eyes are a little bit more like elongated and like longer. So in my inner corner here, I don't have that much fullness. I really would like some more fullness of lashes there because I don't have lashes there. So I wanted to really see if that area would be fuller. But otherwise, I really do like this. These lashes are really great. And I think that I would definitely use them again. You guys might see them in a lot more tutorials now because I really do like them. And I think I'm going to start purchasing more lashes. Like, I do like how these ones fit and the fact that they're really natural. I don't think I would opt for a very dramatic looking lash. I might do it for a video though. So if you guys want to see a video like that, let me know in the comments below of me trying a really dramatic, like, big lash. But this one is honestly good for me. Like, I think that these types of lashes would be ideally what I would go for in terms of lashes. And the duo glue is really good because everything has completely disappeared. All the white glue, the mess that I made, is all gone. So I thought that this was really simple and easy. The glue is really good. It does hold very well, and the instructions show how to remove it. So that's also really important, and I'm glad they have that because your girl doesn't know how to remove what she just put on. So it's gonna be fun. Tonight's gonna be fun. So that's basically it. I have my lashes on, and I'm going to have this on for about like a couple of hours. So I will let you guys know what I think of the lashes in my next tutorial, because of course in my next tutorial you'll know if I'm going to use them or not. So I will let you guys know what I really think after a couple of uses of it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to comment down below what you thought of the video. Also comment down below what are your favorite pairs of lashes. I would love to know because I would probably check them out to see what I can purchase, especially because Black Friday deals and things like that. So just let me know in the comments section below. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos every single week. We have a lot in store for you guys for the holiday season coming up. So just stay tuned for that, and also keep up with our social media pages to let you know when all of those things are happening. That will be listed in the description box below. Also, I will link the lashes from the Sephora website and everything else that I have on my face today. I hope you guys have a fantastic week. Thanks for watching.